Hello everyone, welcome back you all in our online video classes. Dear students, I am here with class 10th mathematics chapter number 4 quadratic equations, and today we will start exercise 4.1. Okay, so students, first of all we have to understand what is quadratic equation. Okay, so the standard form of quadratic equation will be this. Okay, and its standard form will be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where it should not be equal to 0. So this given equation of the form will be quadratic equation. Okay, now we will start exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Okay, because it is based on the standard form of quadratic equation. So let us start. So exercise 4.1, first question is here. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. Right? So let us solve first part of this question. We have to check here whether the following are quadratic equations. Okay, so let us solve first part. Question number 1. First part is given x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Okay, so we will check now whether the given equations form a quadratic equation or not. So first of all we will open this x plus 1 whole square, and we will apply here the identity a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can open this x square plus 2 into x into 1, that is 2x plus 1 square is 1, is equal to, we will multiply 2 inside with the bracket. 2 into x will be 2x, and plus minus minus 2 3 ja 6. Okay, in next step we will bring all the terms on right side to the left side. जितने भी terms यहाँ पर हम इनको left side पे लेके आएंगे. So it will be x square plus 2x plus 1. 2x यहाँ पर प्लस का, यहाँ पर आके माइनस का हो जाएगा, माइनस 2x, और माइनस का 6 यहाँ पे आके प्लस का 6 बन जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू 0. राइट, नाउ वी कैन राइट हियर एक्स स्क्वायर 2x यहाँ पर प्लस का, यहाँ पर माइनस का हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, एंड प्लस 1 प्लस 6 विल बी प्लस 7 is equal to 0, and we can write it as x square plus 0 into x, okay, plus 7 is equal to 0, and the equation calculated is of the form. So we can write here which is of the form, which is of the form, which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, and we have here the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Hence the given equation, is a quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation. right? Now let us solve one more part, like third part. Okay, so here third part is given as x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3, right? So we will solve left hand side and right hand side. We have to simply multiply the polynomials because these are binomial. Okay, we can multiply x with x plus 1 and minus 2 with x plus 1. We will get x into x square, x into 1 plus x, minus 2 into x, बिकॉज हमने x को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया दोनों के साथ, हमारे पास एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स आ गया. माइनस 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x के साथ तो माइनस प्लस माइनस 2 इंटू एक्स 2x, माइनस प्लस माइनस 2 इंटू 1 2. Similarly we will do it here, x into x square, x into 3 plus 3x, minus 1 into x minus x, and minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Okay, now we will bring all the terms to the left side and we can write it as x square plus x minus 2x will be minus x, but let keep it as it is, minus 2, and it will be minus x square, plus 3x will become minus 3x, and minus x will become plus x. Okay, and it will be here plus 3 equal to 0, right? Now x square of plus and x square of minus will cancel. Okay, x plus x will be 2x minus 2x minus 3x. Okay, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 0, and this will cancel and we will get minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Dear students, we can write it in this form as 0 into x square, but the condition is mentioned here, a should not be equal to 0, so we cannot write it as. So this given equation is not of the form. This is not of the form. We can write which is not of the form, which is not of the form, which is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Hence the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay, is not a quadratic equation, right? So students, you can solve other remaining parts by yourself, and for any doubt you can contact me on WhatsApp or Google Meet. Okay, now we have to solve second question. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Okay, so we have given here some situations and we have to represent the given situations in the form of quadratic equation. So first of all, we have first part. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. So dear students, area of rectangular plot is given 528 meters square. The length of the plot, which is in meters, is one more than twice its breadth. Okay, जो लेंथ है उस प्लॉट का मीटर्स में है वो कितना है 1 more than twice its breadth, मीन्स उस रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट की जो ब्रेथ है उसके ट्वाइस से एक ज़्यादा है. ओके, वी नीड टू फाइंड द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ द प्लॉट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हम क्या करेंगे, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, first part, let length of the, dear students, as we know, length of the plot depend on the breadth. Okay, we can calculate the length by breadth. So first of all we have to assume the breadth. So let breadth of the rectangular plot be x मीटर. ओके, हमने ब्रेथ को एज्यूम कर लिया है x मीटर. देयरफॉर लेंथ ऑफ द rectangular plot will be 1 more than twice of its breadth, so it will be 2x is twice of breadth plus 1 more, so 2x plus 1 meter. Okay, and area of rectangular plot, area of rectangular plot is equal to given 528 meter square. So students, we can put what is area, that is length into breadth is equal to 528, right? So what is length? Our length is here 2x plus 1 into what is breadth, it is x, it is equal to 528. So we have to multiply x inside the bracket. So we will have 2x into x, 2x square plus 1 into x plus x, and we can bring this here, minus 528 is equal to 0. Okay, which is the required form of quadratic equation, which is the required form of quadratic equation. Okay, because ax square plus bx plus c, right? Similarly, we will do one more part of this question, as we have given here. The product of two conjugative positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So it is very simple. Conjugative integers means if first integer is x, then next will be x plus 1. So their product is given 306. You can easily do this question by yourself. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay, the product of their ages in 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So this question is again very simple. Let present age of Rohan be x, then the Rohan's mother age will be Rohan's mother's present age will be x plus 26, right? And after 3 years, because the product of their ages 3 years from now, we will add 3 in both the ages as x plus 3 for Rohan and x plus 26 plus 3 for Rohan's mother, and we can get the product, and product equal to 360. We can solve it and we can find the required form of quadratic equation. Okay, last part is given here. A train travels a distance of 480 km. This question is very important. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So we need to find the speed of the train. So students, here we have given time. Okay, distance is here fixed, so distance covered is 480 km and speed had been 8 km per hour less. So we have given here the difference, means if the train travels at uniform speed, but if the speed is reduced, then time will take it will take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So means we can calculate the time in both cases with the help of distance and speed, and we can put the difference equal to 3 and we can form the quadratic equation. Let us solve this problem. Okay, this is the fourth part of second question. Let speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Okay, x kilometer per hour. Total distance covered is equal to 480 km. Okay, so we can find time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So what is distance? 480 upon what is time, what is speed? X. So this time, okay, 480 upon x. Now decrease speed of the train. Decreased speed of train is equal to 8 km per hour less. So speed was x minus 8 km per hour. Okay, x minus 8 km per hour. So now again we will calculate the time. Time will be equal to distance upon speed again. So 480 upon x minus 8 hours. Now according to question it will be. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर नोटिस करना है आपने कि 480 को हम x से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं और x माइनस 8 से यहाँ पर डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. तो x माइनस 8 हमारे पास क्या है? स्मॉलर देन x. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा कि ये वाली क्वांटिटी क्या होगी? ग्रेटर होगी इस वाली क्वांटिटी से. ओके, सो वी विल पुट इट एज 480. डिफरेंस ऑफ टाइम इज गिवन इन बोथ केसेस. 480 अपॉन x माइनस 8 माइनस 480 upon x means their difference is given 3 hours. ओके, हमने टाइम कैलकुलेट किया, टाइम का डिफरेंस देखा और कितना था हमारे पास डिफरेंस? 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So we have to simply solve it. We can take 480 common. 480 it will be here x 1 upon x minus 8 minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. राइट. नाउ हम इसको अंदर कैलकुलेट करते हैं. नाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. इट विल बी व्हाट? x माइनस 8 इंटू एक्स एंड इट विल बी हियर x माइनस x प्लस 8. यहाँ पर x प्लस 8 कैसे आ गया? बिकॉज माइनस का 1 था, माइनस 1 से हमने x माइनस 8 को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो माइनस x आ गया यहाँ पर, माइनस माइनस प्लस का 8. ओके, इज इक्वल टू 3. Right. So now we can calculate the remaining part here. x से x तो कैंसिल हो गया, 480 इंटू 8 इज इक्वल टू 3 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे हम, 3x इंटू एक्स माइनस 8। ओके, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना आएगा 0, 8 8 64, कैरी ओवर 6, 8 4 32 प्लस 6 38, 3840 इज इक्वल टू, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे अंदर तो 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 3 8 24, 24x। We can shift this that side. Finally we will get 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. Now we can take 3 common. Okay, 3 into inside the bracket we will have x square minus 8x and minus 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 left 24, 3 8 ja 24, 0 as it is equal to 0. And finally we will get this 3 can be cancelled by dividing on both sides, so we will get, therefore final equation will be x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0, which is required form of quadratic equation. Okay, so students, it was your exercise 4.1. complete this full exercise, practice more and more, and for any doubt you can ask me on WhatsApp. That's all.